Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Wonder Innovation. This is your host Firdaus. Hope we are doing great. We are also fine. Today morning actually I decided to went out and capture some beautiful moments during my morning ride. So here it is and I hope you'll enjoy it. So let's explore viewer. Viewers, as we continue our journey, notice the waste management vehicle diligently collecting trash around the city. Hats off to the team, working hard to keep Sharjah city clean and beautiful. Corniche offers breathtaking views, traditional boats, and people enjoy leisurely walk here. During winter, it's a favorite spot for residents and visitors alike. On my left, you can see the Museum of Islamic Civilization, a must-visit tourist spot. Viewers, you can also enjoy seaview dining at nearby restaurants. Viewers, opposite the Corniche lies the port area. Follow this road and you will encounter palm trees and anchored boats. Viewers, from here you can also see Flag Island and it's popular amongst the residents. It features a playground for football enthusiasts. Viewers, now the part is Souk Al Jubail. It's incredibly clean. Even the fish sector is odor free. Find separate sections for meat, fish, vegetables and fruits. Also you can find grand hypermarkets inside. And viewers, this is Central Souk. Here you can find jewelry and carpet shops. The road is calm in the early morning. On both sides, you will discover restaurants, hotels, and rest houses. Viewers, now we are spotting Al Noor Mosque on Al Noor Island. Nearby, Al Nakhil Oasis awaits with its beautiful surroundings. That's all for today viewers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends, and of course share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and catch you in my next adventure. Till then, bye bye.